Here it is. Oh, that's the one. Whew. I also have a rib on this side. You can feel it though, right?
Oh, yeah.
So I'm going to adjust that. So that's a rib that's up pretty high. Ooh. Wow, that made a big noise. Feel it now.
Oh, wow.
So that one's back in now. That's really good. Let me just see if there's any on this side. There's also one here, right there. Just keep your hand real soft.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Right there.
Yeah.
Do you feel that?
Yeah.
So I'm going to get that one too. So this is a rib also. Got it. A little more. It only went halfway down.
Relax.
Got it. I got it. All right, I think we're gonna finish there. It's a nice lick and chew though, right? We got the sacroiliac joint. We also got ribs on either side that were sprung a little bit. Okay, so we're all done. Thank you, everyone.